Tired of endlessly scrolling through Messenger to save your photos one by one? Let's fix that. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. This method works best on a desktop browser. In the address bar, type in chrome.google.com/webstore and press enter. This takes you to the Chrome web store. In the search bar at the top left of the screen, type in downloader for Facebook and click enter. You'll see a list of extensions. Look for the one named downloader for Facebook image and video. Make sure the icon looks like a blue download button with an F in the middle. Click on that extension, and then click the blue Add to Chrome button. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Click Add Extension to confirm that you want to install it. Chrome will confirm that the extension has been added, and you should see a new icon in your extension toolbar, usually at the top right of your browser. Now, go to Facebook and open your Messenger. Select the conversation from which you want to download the photos. You should now see a blue download arrow icon somewhere within the chat interface, usually near the top. Click on this download arrow icon. A new window or tab will open, giving you options to filter which items you want to download. Select the images and filter down using date, type and keyword to specify what you would like. After specifying and filtering the items, click the download button. This will typically download a zip file containing all the selected photos from that Messenger conversation. Once the download is complete, locate the zip file on your computer. It's likely in your downloads folder. Right-click on the zip file and select Extract All to unzip the contents. This will create a new folder containing all the photos from your Messenger conversation. And there you have it. All the photos from your Messenger conversation are now saved on your computer, ready for you to view, share, or backup.